forces together. Welcome to our channel, Grace Holder and Shiela Lemon channel. So here you go, guys. So today we're going to make
a very special recipe.
That's so very interesting and excited because we really miss this kind of food. But we're gonna introduce to you kung ano yung gagawin namin today. We're gonna make, what do you call this?
We're gonna make parang version of ceviche.
Yes.
We call this in our dialect Kilawin. And it's with the pork skin, Kilawin. Or maybe you can call it like a pork skin salad. It's gonna be interesting for our friends that lives here in the US. You probably never had the pork skin salad or Kilawin. So it's like if you know the ceviche, it's like the same flavor as ceviche.
Right. So before we're gonna start, we're gonna show it to you the ingredients that we're going to use to our pork skin Kilawin.
Yes. So let's get started.
Let's get started. So here goes, sister. You're the one going to introduce all the ingredients that we're going to use.
Okay, for our ingredients, we're going to be using, of course, our pork skin. You boiled this, right? This is boiled pork skin.
And we chop in a strip size.
Yeah, we try to not put all the fats that's in it.
Yep.
Okay. So basically just pork skin. And then we have here a salted egg.
Yes, salted
Look
egg.
at that.
There you go.
When you see the red egg in the Asian store, that's what it is, that's salted egg. And then we have a green mango. You can find that at Walmart. And then we have our red onions and our tomato and our cilantro, basically for garnishing and a little bit flavor. And we have some sugar. And we have our minced ginger. And my most favorite is the chili pepper.
The spicy one. Then we're gonna use soy sauce.
We're gonna use some soy sauce. Maybe the silver swan could.
The product.
And then that to put the vinegar.
Yes. And my favorite one.
Mamacita's anghang sarap.
Mamacita.
It's like a spicy vinegar.
This is that I really love this one. So Mamacita, sponsor.
And then our salt and pepper to taste. Okay, let's get started.
Let's get started.
We don't need to go to the stove because this is all just already been prepped.
Okay, yes, that one. So we're gonna mix together.
So what we're gonna use first?
Yeah, we're gonna put together like we're gonna
all the
ingredients, the
mangoes,
onion,
and the onions. Yummy.
Yeah, tomato.
And our tomatoes. Just mix lang, guys, ha?
Now we're gonna put the ginger.
Ginger. Oh my god.
Oh,
Well, let's mix
so excited. We're gonna put the
so it won't get mushy.
Yep. Now we can put the cilantro. And then we're gonna put this.
Yeah, it's fine. The chili.
I'm scared.
Or chili pepper. It's not a lot.
Okay. So spicy.
But I chopped it, so.
Did you see that? It's colorful. I love it. And now we're
We
gonna.
can put our liquid ingredients.
Okay.
In.
Can I have the thingy, the scoop?
So how many of that vinegar?
Okay, we're gonna have like half cup only because ayoko siyang ubusin. This is my favorite one. Ginagamit ko to sa tuwing kakain ako ng isda. Because this is really strong. Seriously, let's smell it.
Oh,
see?
wow. But it has that, it's strong, but there's some different flavors in that.
Yes, it is. So we're gonna use half cup. There, because this is 1/4 cup. So we're gonna use 1/2 cup.
So this is tuba. It means it's from a real coconut vinegar.
Did you smell that? How strong it is?
So good.
Now we're gonna add also the regular
white vinegar.
White vinegar.
That to puti.
Yeah, we could also
just
put
have a
1 cup too.
That's a lot, maybe. You think it's fine?
Yeah, that's fine.
half cup of that white vinegar.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe just a little bit of that. Soy
Now we're
sauce.
gonna put soy sauce like 2 tablespoons. Para lang mayroon siyang
Flavor.
flavor. Ayan.
The salty, a little bit flavor of soy sauce. It's getting yummy.
And then we're gonna add, what's the measuring of this
That's a
salt?
teaspoon of sugar.
Yeah, a teaspoon of
To
sugar.
balance out para hindi masyadong maasim, so lalagyan ng konting sugar to balance out the sourness. So we'll have some sweet and sour.
And then we're gonna put, I guess, like a teaspoon also of salt.
Yeah, we don't need to put a lot of salt because we already put some soy sauce. So soy sauce is already a little bit salty.
And then pepper.
Lots of pepper, please, because I
Oh
love
my
pepper.
gosh. Yeah, there you go.
Okay, I think that will do. Mix, mix, mix.
Mix, mix, mix. Ayan.
Yeah. Maybe we should get a spoon so we can try this.
Yep. And then we're gonna add
I spelled
the last
the
one
last one
is our salted egg.
salted egg.
And then I'm gonna get a fork.
So just gently mix this so that we will not get our salted egg mushy. Okay, maybe I need another. There you go.
Ayan, sa amoy pa lang.
Okay guys.
I already smell it, seriously.
Maybe we could try it if nag-balance na yung sugar at saka yung vinegar. Para hindi masyadong maasim. Hindi naman gusto natin maging masyadong matamis.
Ang question, maanghang.
Hindi, yung konti lang. Konti lang, 3 chili pepper lang yun.
Ayan.
Okay.
Okay, go. So, ready, guys?
Are you guys ready to try
Just show
this?
it to
Look at
them.
this. There's our Kilawin.
Yeah, that's a
or,
pork steam Kilawin.
ceviche.
Yes.
Okay, guys, we're ready to try our Kilawin. My
tongue.
or my mouth is salivating.
Right. Let's try. Okay, go.
try.
Grab. Be careful of the pepper, the chili one.
Okay.
With the salted egg.
With the salted egg. So I could
Be careful. You got it. You got the
That's
pepper.
okay. That's okay. I'm good.
Oh my
It's
god.
chopped, so maybe some of this.
Ako, pipiliin ko yung ng red pepper. Sorry, natakot ako.
Guys, I'm ready.
I'm ready to. Okay, wait. I'm gonna grab some.
It's also it tastes better if this is you eat this, you let it sit in the fridge for like overnight and then you eat it the next day. Oh, all the flavors soaked in there.
Yep.
And
Okay.
Okay.
That's it.
Bon appetit, guys. That's right. So, hindi
Diba?
masyadong maasim kasi nakatulong yung sugar
Yeah.
to tone down the sourness.
I love it.
I miss this.
Guys. It's
Yummy. Ooh. Yung flavor ng yung salt, yung sourness, yung
And then kakain ka pa ng mango. With the salted egg. Perfect.
yung crunchiness ng mango. Yung sugar, nag-balance lahat yung flavor, guys. So, give it a try, guys. Make it, watch our video. Make this recipe. I promise you, you will love it. This is the best appetizer. This is a great appetizer. No? Mapapakain ka talaga ng marami kapag kumain ka nito.
True. Then here you go, guys. So, kakain na tayo. Hindi na tayo magbababay. Kain na pa. Kain na kain. Okay?
Kasi sarap. I can't wait to...
Guys, try this, our recipe for later after you don't continue watch our video. The end of this video, we're gonna show it to you the ingredients that we use and all the measurements of these
Yes, the
ingredients.
procedure and the
procedure.
recipe. Or
Yes.
the recipe most
The recipe.
because the procedure is just easy. Yung recipe lang, ha? Yung kailangan yung recipe na kailangan yung mga or ingredients na makagawa itong kilawin or itong ceviche.
Yes. So, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell and then comments to our channel,
Yes.
to my sister channel, Grace
Grace
Holder
Holder.
and Shiela for my channel, guys.
Yeah.
Please keep watching to support our channel. There's more videos to come.
Yes.
It's not only cooking stuff, but you're gonna
Other
have
stuff,
fun,
guys.
other stuff, having fun.
Let's
our
have
videos.
fun, okay?
Let's have fun.
So
Okay.
thank you so much again, guys, for watching, and we'll see you again for our next video.
Bye.
Have a great day. Bye.
Have a